Hey everyone, welcome to the Shields Fields. My name is Kelly. I am just an everyday gardener growing sustainably in my small 7B backyard. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm planting fall seeds for my fall garden. I also have some kale and collard I'm going to be harvesting. I think the collard is probably at the end of its life. Listen, to be a cold weather crop, it's done very well. Okay, I've gotten a lot of harvest off of that, but I'm also going to be replanting more of that in the fall. So come on in. Let's plant some seeds together. This pile is everything that I'm going to be starting today. I have Swiss chard, beets, carrots, and green beans. I'm still trying to decide which package I'm going to do for the green beans. But that's what we're going to be starting today. I also have Brussels sprouts, and this is the artwork broccoli from Berlin Seeds. I actually grew this in the spring. It did very well, so we're bringing this back. The Brussels sprouts I grew in the spring as well. They're still out there. Listen, we understand that they're cool weather plants, right? But I tried to grow that. They're still in the garden right now, and they're actually producing Brussels sprouts even though in the heat. We're going to give them a go in the fall too, to see how quickly they grow and how great they do. Haven't had a chance to taste them yet. And then this is a pile of plants that I'm going to be starting in maybe about 2 weeks. We have cabbage, collard, kale, 2 different types of kale. And then we also have some other things that we are going to be starting in a few weeks as well. Cilantro, spinach, and dill. So that's pretty much everything that I'm going to be planting in the fall. I've already planted the Brussels sprouts. Let me take these out. I've already planted the Brussels sprouts here. I've already planted the broccoli here. So I need to plant the carrots. I actually have a label here for carrots, but I'm going to direct sow the carrots in my green stalk over there. So I'm going to write string beans on this one. And then another thing that I do is I put the date that I planted them on the back. That helps me figure out when they'll be ready for harvest. So I have the name on the front and the date that I planted them on the back. We'll put that row right there. So I think I'm going to try, are these the same type of green beans? Let's just do both. Let's do both. So this one is Gold Rush. This is from Greenstock and Botanical Interest. And then this one, just one that I got from Dollar Tree. I know it's better to direct sow them. I know. However, I don't have the best luck with direct sow. I don't. Some people do, some people don't. I don't. So we're gonna do this way. The Gold Rush beans, you see that? There are a lot of gardeners that just kind of pour their seeds in. I'm not one of those people because I don't have a huge garden. So I'm just gonna do 2 in each one of these containers. These are the Gold Rush. And then Dollar Tree. This is cool. Then we'll have a little comparison. I'm picking up with the string beans again. Oh, I'm sorry, the correct word, bush beans. We are picking up with those. And again, I'm just doing 2 in every pocket. Let's just cover those up. So we got the broccoli planted, the Brussels sprouts planted. I have my bush beans right there. The next thing that I want to do, let's do the beets next. Now this is the beets that I'm going to be using by Botanical Interest. Here's what the package looks like. See, I love to have beets for juicing, but I've never had a gourmet blend. So we're going to do quite a few of these. Let's get started on this kale and collard. For kale, we'll use this one. It's a kale dwarf blue curled kale from Botanical Interest. This is this packet. So I might sprinkle a few of these because I can freeze this. Even though I don't have a lot of space, I do vertical growing, and I can always put the kale in the green stock. I actually have some growing in my green stock now. Next, collard. For the collard green, we're gonna go with this one that I got from Dollar Tree. Collard Georgia Southern. Valley Green, that's what that package looks like. Push it down in there, and we'll cover them up. This is gonna be my Swiss chard. Put the date on the back, and I'm just gonna do 2 per pot. So when it comes to the carrots, this is the carrots that I'm gonna be planting. It's little finger carrots from Berlin Seeds. When it comes to the carrots, we're going to do some succession planting. I'm going to be planting new seeds about every 2 weeks as I go down this green stalk. But for right now, we are going to start with the top 2. Now all I have to do is water these, and we're off to a good start. In 2 more weeks, I'll come back and plant out some more tiers. All right, now we're going to harvest this kale. If you'd enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, let's get growing. Bye.